Okay, so we're ready to go ahead and put the legs on. I have these two pieces that I made previously that I'm going to go ahead and score and slip on, and I don't want the leg to be sticking out sideways like it looks like the animal's ice skating. The legs are spread out like this. We want them to be straight up and down just like the legs would be. Okay, so since you have a curve to this pot, you would need to have, let's see if you can see it, the curve. Okay, you would need to have an angle cut on this. Okay, so I think it's best just to take one of these, and I'm actually going to do this side, and you would cut roughly like a 45. Okay, or you could cut through this or push through, so you end up with an angle. Okay, so an angle here, so when you go ahead and put it on here, you can see that it's going to stick straight. It's going to be straight down instead of like sticking out, okay, where it would look like that. So this is going to get scored and slipped. You really still need this upside down. So it will go, you kind of think about like if I had one right here, and if I had another leg over here, and another leg over here, you kind of need to space these so they're going to be even. We're not going to flip this animal over until we score and slip these on for a day and put some reinforcing coils on them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and score and slip one. I'm going to score and slip this section, make sure there's lots of texture there. Same thing here, score and slip, dot my slip on so I don't erase it. Okay, and then go ahead and squish that leg on. Make sure you actually press it so it's going to bond and become part of that. Okay, now we're going to need a reinforcing coil, which we've done on slabs before, but we haven't done with sculptural things like this. So this is just a reinforcing coil that's going to go around this leg, and it's going to make it get a little bit bigger, so then it's a little bit stronger right at that edge. Give it some support, hence reinforce it. So I'm going to make a little coil. It's going to be a little bit smaller than what maybe a coil pot coil would be, but I'm going to do something like that. I'm going to score and slip this. Okay, so I've got some slip, and then I am going to score and slip around this leg. And I'm going to go ahead and put this piece right here. So I'm going to go ahead and score and slip and blend. So this part will get blended half this way and half this way. So I'm going to have a seam that disappears. Like the coil will go completely away. Okay, so you can see the difference between this side and then the difference between that side. We're going to go ahead and do that for all four. Keep it upside down and you can bag it and we'll look at it the next day.